FECHEP's Orient product line of CNC drilling systems is designed as an entry-level series of drills for firms whose production objectives and application finds this product ideal for their requirements. The Orient starts with a single unique articulating high-performance drill spindle with a rack and pinion feed that can rotate to accommodate processing on either the web or flanges in seconds. Before we take a closer look at the specific capabilities of the Orient, let's follow the flow of the material from the in-feed conveyor to the drilling operations. Integrated into the Orient's in-feed conveyor is the material positioning and measuring system. This powerful carriage arrangement advances the structural steel section using a rack and pinion design, which also provides the positive feedback for industry-leading accuracy. A powerful clamping system secures the material and advances it towards the start of the Orient's processes. As the material advances towards the system, a non-contact sensing device references the leading end of the material. This sequence not only establishes the leading end of the section for the subsequent operations, but it also automatically measures the total length of the stock material entering the system. If the stock length is too short to process the programmed part, the operation is stopped until this can be addressed. Once the material enters the Orient drill line, the required tool is selected from either the standard 6 or optional 12-position tool changer. ISO 40 tool holders and the tool length sensing are part of the configuration for the Orient drilling lines. The expansive number of tools, in conjunction with the rack and pinion feed of the Orient, enables such diverse operations as drilling, scribing, tapping, countersinking, and the milling of slots. The articulating high-performance drilling spindle, powered by a 15-kilowatt motor at speeds up to 2,000 RPM, can rotate to process the requirements on the flanges and the web. Positioning of the spindle to the programmed gauge line location is accomplished with a rack and pinion arrangement. This is proven to be the most durable design in the typical structural steel fabrication facility. As an option, a second articulating spindle can be furnished to enhance the system's productivity by expanding the capability of addressing two surfaces simultaneously. The scribing capability of the Orient can be expanded with the addition of the underside scriber to achieve 4-side, 1-pass scribing. FECHEP's patented scribing process provides for the automatic downloading from the 3D model all of the intersecting members, locations, orientation, and weld symbols. This eliminates the need to interpret a drawing and manually measure and generate all the required layout locations and information. The Orient can be integrated with a FECHEP-engineered bandsaw, so the measuring system, conveyors, CNC control, and operator can accommodate both drilling and sawing in the same footprint. The bandsaw can be furnished with programmable mitering capability of up to 60 degrees in each direction. The cutting head is incorporated into a welded bridge structure and guided with prismatic ways on the datum and non-datum side of the saw. The horizontal clamp's required position and the start and stop locations of the blade relative to the section being cut are CNC-controlled axes that are automatically established by the proprietary FECHEP software. Trim cuts, drops, and short parts up to 1,200 millimeters in length are automatically removed without operator involvement as part of the integrated cutting cycle. As an alternative to the saw, the FECHEP FRC thermal cutting robot can be integrated into the line. This robot, in conjunction with an automatic tool changer, provides the ability to use both plasma and oxy-fuel cutting. Laser measuring eliminates the need for physical touch probing to establish the section's surface locations. Plasma cutting on 4 sides of structural tubes and even round pipe is possible with this feature. The ability to effectively integrate the utilization of oxy-fuel cutting permits the system to address the cutting of thicker web and flanges. It also enables web cutting closer to the flange to generate narrow copes, for example. The FRC robot can address cutoff, copes, flange thinning, mechanical openings, dog bones, rat holes, weld prep, and more. When the FECHEP robot is integrated with the Orient drilling lines, the measuring system, conveyors, CNC control, and operator accommodate both drilling and thermal cutting in the same footprint. The Orient product line for structural steel processing from FECHEP is just one of 6 different families of drill lines for the efficient processing of structural steel. The ability of FECHEP to offer the industry's leading number of different CNC drilling lines assures our clients that their application will be addressed with the most cost-effective and productive solution for their application. Let us consult with you and your staff to determine the proper criteria to consider in your drill line selection process.